Hi, this is Mark with PanurgyOEM. Over the past 3 years, we've focused on showcasing our core competencies through videos, blog posts, and case studies. And for good reason. We get projects done no matter the size with the highest quality in mind. But what's the driving force behind the scenes? Who is Panergy really? Let me explain. Number 1, personality. We had to learn to always be flexible. Over the past 40 years, technology has changed significantly. We've gone from seeing 5.25-inch floppy drives, I don't even know what that is, to a thumb drive with a gig of memory. This skill set birthed a nimble and elastic business model that easily allows us to scale up and down to service our partners. Number 2, culture. Building strong, trusting relationships with our partners is integral to our culture and mission. Our average client retention is 10 years. We are firm believers in taking the time to meet and exceed expectations for each client. Our homegrown leadership starts with our CEO, who has led Panergy through successful transitions over the past 30 years. Our processes and tools are put in place to ensure employees are successful at every project. We believe in transparent communication and collaboration. That is why our average employee retention is 14 years. Number 3, our vision and goals. At Panergy, our success is tied to our customer success. What I mean by that is when our customers' customers are happy, we are adding the value that we strive for as a service partner. At PanurgyOEM, we are a seasoned company with the soul of a startup that is well suited to meet the needs of a mature yet ever-changing industry. Give me a call today to find out more.